Hi, today I want to share with you how you can create elements in PicMonkey and in Canva, and then you put them together so that it becomes a complete picture for yourself, for your business, to do your promotions, to post on Facebook, to post on Twitter, to post on Instagram, and anywhere else you dream of, okay, even in your EDMs. So I just want to show you what I've done for the Christmas season. I'm now going through a flash sales. So I've chosen these pandas from Canva, these words, fonts from PicMonkey, and this glittering star from PicMonkey. So let me show you where and how did I do it. So you can go to social media and click on it. And notice that Canva has a lot of designs in it. So what I did was I chose this design, okay? I strip it of its background. I didn't want the words, okay, because there's no fonts that I wanted that's in Canva. So I went to PicMonkey. Okay, so let me just open PicMonkey for you. Okay, can go into PicMonkey, go to design. You can choose custom if you want a higher resolution. And I added in my words. I chose this from the PicMonkey site. Add text. Okay, flash sales. Now, if you know and still remember your color codes, you can put the color codes in this. So let me just check mine. (02C6A3). Okay, so my color code is 02C6A3. Ta-da! There you have it. Now in PicMonkey, okay, I want to make this bigger. So like I said, I built this as elements, right? And then I want to add the star. Remember this? The star here, like glittering. You go to the overlay, go to stars, sparkle stars, okay, add the star. Now you can change color. I want to change it to my color code as well, okay, and then I add my color code, okay, then you change your color. I know you can't quite see it, but just stay focused. Notice these blend modes over here. Now the reason why you're not seeing this because the blend modes are on. So you can go to hard, lighten, multiply, overlay, subtract. So you can do different styles, even normal as well. So I find that normal. Let me just show you. This was the one that I chose. See? Then I wanted inside to be transparent. Okay? There you have it. Then what I did was transparent canvas. I went to crop and I went to canvas color, and you go to transparent canvas. Ta-da! After that, you go to crop. You adjust your size to make sure that this is something that you want. Oops. And then you hit save. Okay, remember save as PNG, okay, and save it on your desktop. So after that, I went into Canva. So like I've created this design. Okay, so this is something that I like, and because I've already uploaded the design, okay, you can upload your own design here. Okay, so I will click save. So flash sales. Save to my computer. Save on desktop. Now I go to Canva. I upload my own image. And you choose the image. Wait for it to upload. And what I like about Canva is that it stores all your pictures, and whatever you do, it can be just done in a jiffy. Okay, so that's how this ad on Facebook was done, okay, using PicMonkey and Canva. Now, of course, you ask me, Janisha, can I shift this pandas from, you know, Canva to PicMonkey, and then I do the words in PicMonkey itself? Yeah, sure, why not? Whichever elements that you want to shift around, that's fine. Just remember this, PicMonkey you cannot save. Canva you can save. So notice why I did that, because even after I close this, and I go back, so I refresh just to show you what I mean. Notice this, it's still there even when I close it. So what I like about Canva is that we can save it. Now when there's duplicate within Canva, all you need to do is to click on this button here and just click on delete, and it will be gone. And then okay, if you just want to delete and leave it there, that's fine as well, but that's how it is done. So Canva can save, PicMonkey cannot save. So usually what I do is I build the elements in PicMonkey, and then I bring it over to Canva so that I have, see all this stuff that's here. I use PicMonkey to build my elements and Canva to save them. So let's build the first element. Go into edit, click, I go look for my image. I pick one, and then I go to the frame, shape cutouts. I want it circle, so I make it smaller. Okay, that's fine. You can adjust the size, yeah. Then I apply transparent background, and then I do the cropped function, because after when you can do the crop function like that, you know, you'll be able to able to resize it properly. Okay, and click save and put it under test image. Remember, save as PNG. Save on desktop, and it's done. Okay, now I close this and I open another PicMonkey. Now I do a design, create custom, make it, and I want transparent canvas. I want to overlay butterfly, put my own. So I used the test image earlier. This was the test image. Okay, let me just show you the before and after, so at least you get an idea how it was done. So we are trying to achieve this. Okay, So we can add another geometric. Okay, you can right click and then you can send to back. Now the color, you can do the color picker. Let me just grab this. If you cannot remember, I always rely on a color picker. So this one I can delete. Now, if you want to make it proportional like that, then you don't need to do anything. You just need to drag the corners and then resize it. If you want it to stretch, press the Shift key. This is what happens. When I press the Shift key, I can stretch it. I can stretch vertical, squeeze it. Okay, and I can squeeze, I can make bigger. But once I don't press the Shift button, notice what happens. It becomes usual. So do this. And then ta-da! And then same thing. Crop accordingly to the size that you want. And then hit save. Name your picture and then save to your computer. Okay, so this is the first element that's done. So have a look at the final one. Okay, we're going to build the second element. Okay, I will go to design, Facebook cover. If you don't want, what you can do is you could design, go to custom. I usually put 3000 by 2000 because it's bigger, and then things are usually better. So I want to build this now. 7-day challenge, the secret of manifesting money quickly. So I go to overlay, take this element and pull it, right click, duplicate, overlay, change the color to, cannot remember, add your own overlay again. That's a lazy way to do it. That's how I like it. Click here, get a color picker. Okay. So, and then I will need to add text. The text I'm using here is the ostrich text. I know, don't ask me why is the name so weird, okay? I need to look for the ostrich text. So let me just get there. Ostrich sends inline. Add text. Okay. Notice this makes the thing bigger, this makes the text smaller. So I bring it up. It's a bit big. Seven-day challenge. Secret of manifesting money quickly. Okay. Shorten this bar. I want to make the words a bit bigger and smaller. Actually, I don't need to control via the numbers, which is here. I can just drag to pull to see how it is. And I make this a bit smaller. Okay. And then I move this to the back, the black one. Okay, there you have it. Same thing. Okay, and if you get the wrong color, you got to do it differently. Change to white, put it back, put the black back. Okay, And then you go to crop, canvas color, apply transparent, apply, and then I want you to do crop. Same thing, because we're building elements. Okay, and then you hit apply first before you hit save. Okay, that's how you can save. Now I want to create another element, which is here, this pink color one. I go to design, custom, 3000 by 2000. It's up to you what size you want to do. I usually do that, and then I go to overlay, I go to geometric very quickly. This one I know my code by heart because that's my favorite color, because that's pink. So E0088. Okay, very quickly. And I know my font. My text is the jiggle font. Jiggler. I call it the jiggle. I don't know how to pronounce, but more jiggler. Okay, so click here. And I want this in white. Okay, make this tighter. Ostrich incense in line. soulrichwoman.com/7 days. And I want this in white. And I pull this bigger by the corner. You can make it bigger without the size. Okay, if you want to make this shorter, you can do that. Okay, I double confirm. Looks alright. And I will go to the canvas, apply transparent, and then I crop to create this element. So that it fits nicely. Okay, always leave some space. Then I click apply, and then I click save. Okay, so this becomes your element as well. Now the next element will be my stars. Same thing, I go to design. This time round I use Facebook cover, apply, go to overlay, go to sparkling stars, look for sparkling stars. Okay, what I did was it's just like outer space. I just put everything on the element, because in Canva you cannot do transparent background. Only in PicMonkey then you can do transparent background. So what I did was this, and then I hit save. Okay, so it becomes like an image. And then I download everything, I save it on my desktop. I go into Canva. Right now we are in Canva, and I chose Facebook cover as the space for me to do my design. So after I click on that, I am here, I'm in this space, and I have uploaded my elements within the Canva. So you can see the stars I've used. This is one of the other elements. Now you know why. Then this is also the element, and this is also the element. Notice this. Okay, so how do I make it into this? Now the way is to shift it around. So and then the green one, I want it bigger, so I just need to stretch it. Okay, so the reason why I want to make this big is because in PicMonkey and when I want to make the size bigger, so that when I come here I can just do all the stretching and it still looks good. So a bit smaller. Okay, you can bring to forward. Bring over like that. Now what I like about Canva, you can crop. Ta-da! So you see why I did this starry stuff in PicMonkey on transparent background, because PicMonkey can do transparent stuff, Canva cannot. Okay, so I choose one that I want. And then click OK. Same thing. If you're behind, you got to bring forward. Notice my end result is this. Notice how I've split up the stars within the picture earlier, and these words are directly from Canva. So that's how you put the elements together. When PicMonkey meets Canva, you are invincible. I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.